God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. And all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you.
That's the screen. That's the controller. You drop it. You do this. You hold on the bottom. On the bottom first. Yeah, like that. Yeah. See, it's easy. What else in the box? There's more in here. Can you
Hey, you have to put the Nintendo Switch on there.
Do you know how to use that? Okay.
You guys
Is that the correct way? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, next. There's another one. You look at the picture, that manual. That green.
This X. This.
Can you assemble it? Can you put it together? in the box? Show the charger.
The cloth that's on the screen that makes it good. Thank you. Yes.
I think you can do that. Like this for me.
This is too small.
Yeah, just a hand.
Too small for you.
Just.
No. Take it from me. This one is very like. So this is the percent, this is on. I'm telling you I can't do it.
You didn't show the charger then. So that's the charger.
That's all.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to put on the screen protector. This one happens to be a glass screen protector. Comes with cleaning wipes. It has these stickers to help you to get the protector on there. And I had to provide this. This is a lens cleaning wipe. Alrighty, this side here is going to go on the game. I don't know if you notice this little notch over here. There's a notch right over there. I just want to take a look at it before I actually put it on. So it's going to go there. That notch is lined up with that notch. I'm going to use the guide stickers because I think that'll help me. And put them on the outside of the screen. Got the cleaning wipe. Cleaning wipe. Now this here Nintendo Switch happens to be brand new. We just took it out of the box, so it's not really dirty. But just to be safe, I'll wipe it down. I'm wearing these gloves, so I don't want to get any fingerprints on the other side of the screen that's going to be up against the Nintendo Switch. Alright, that seems to be dry. Now, I am going to remove sticky stuff on the back side. So here you want to get it on. You want to get this on correctly the first time. You want it to be centered because it has glue on the back.
I can see your face.
Oh, those guys. Alright. This didn't happen to have a wedgie on it. I'm going to smooth it out with my hand.
Alright, we did the...
Now I can
Wait,
finally
let me
put those
finish.
things. The writing.
Let me finish talking since I started. Let me put these back in.
Yay!
Alrighty. Well, I had to push out the bubble, but we do have the screen protector on, the glass screen protector. And the good thing about this is it will protect the main screen, so if you do get some scratches later on, you can always remove this and put another one on, but your main screen to the Nintendo Switch will be scratch free. So that concludes my video. Thank you for watching.
Yay!
You got some? Yeah, you can touch it. It's all yours.
Finally.
You
See?
have to charge it.
Turn it on!
A. I think A was okay. I'm correct.
What next?
Just skip. Skip. You have to press A. You should press B to go back and press A to go forward. You know, you can just use your fingers.
It's a touch screen. Oh, look at that. It's already asking about our... Is this us right here, baby?
Yeah.
So I guess I hit A again. This is where the password goes right here?
Enter your, yes, enter your password.
Is it a